Greetings of the day to all the viewers. My name is Radha Mittal and welcome back to Compage. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching about HTML. In the previous two videos, I taught you about how to operate Python in computer and mobile. In the today video, I'll be teaching you about how to operate HTML on computer. I'll today be teaching you a simple code of HTML. Let's begin with our today's tutorial. So guys, to manage or to operate HTML on computer, you first need to open Notepad. Everybody has Notepad on their computer. So first let's open Notepad, and on Notepad we need to type the code of HTML, and on Internet Explorer or on any browser you can open HTML. So let's get started. First you need to search here Notepad. So here's my notepad file, my notepad screen. Here let me increase the font so that you all are able to see it. 1 second. I want to do it to 26. Yeah, it will be fine. So guys, there are two types of tags in HTML. One is an empty tag and one is a container tag. I'll be explaining you both. First let me explain you some basic terms in HTML and then we will be starting. So there are two types of tags. Tags means tag is a kind of operation, you can say. I will be explaining you with examples. So first understand there are two types of tags. One is empty tag and one is container tag. I am saying one is empty tag and the other one is container tag. So guys, what are both of these tags? Let me define them. So empty tag means the tags that have only opening tags. Empty tag means the tags that have only opening tags. I will be explaining with the examples as we proceed with our video. And what do you understand by container tag? Container tag are the ones, guys, that the tags that have both opening and closing tags. So guys, there are two types of tags in HTML: empty tag and container tag. Empty tag and container tag. Okay guys, we'll be proceeding. I'll be explaining you both of these tags with the help of examples as they will be coming in our video. So guys, first let us now learn what we'll be going to learn in today's tutorial. So guys, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching about how to create a list in HTML. It's the most simplest code in HTML to create a list in HTML. So how to create a list in HTML? There are three types of lists in HTML. There are three types of lists in HTML. What are these types? Type number one is ordered list. Second one is, guys, unordered list. Third one is, guys, definition list. And guys, these three kinds of lists are the formal known list in HTML. But guys, there is one more type that is not so aware, that many people don't know about, and it's not very used. So the fourth type of HTML, we can say a fourth type, let me do it in brackets. Fourth type we can say are nested lists. So what are these lists? Let me define ordered list. Ordered lists are the lists that have an order. Simple. HTML is damn very simple. Ordered list, right? Now what are unordered lists? I'll be explaining you. Unordered list that don't have an order. order. An ordered list that don't have any kind of order. They are opposite of ordered list. Now I'll be explaining you. Wait for some time. Now what are definition lists? Definition list. These lists defines the term. Definition list, we'll be learning about these kind of lists in our upcoming videos. These lists defines the term. How it defines the term? Let me show you that also. For suppose I wrote hardware. No, I wrote keyboard. I wrote a term keyboard. So in my definition list, it will define keyboard. Keyboard. What keyboard does? It helps us to type. This is the function of keyboard. So guys, this is definition list. Definition list clear? I am again saying you, if you have any kind of queries, you please comment me down and I will be replying you either in the comment box only or in the next video. So what are nested lists? Nested lists are the lists. These lists are the lists. These are the lists that contain two or more lists together. So guys, nested lists are the lists that contain two or more lists together. For example, if I say that I have used ordered list also and I have also used an unordered list also in a same code, I'll be explaining you. So for today, let us keep it till ordered list. For today, I'll be explaining you, I'll be giving you an example of ordered list, and in upcoming videos we'll be explaining, I'll be telling you about unordered list, definition list, nested list and many. So let's start with our unordered list. Let me erase this. I hope you have noted down somewhere. So let us start. So guys, the first step to start any code in HTML is that you need to first type HTML, and not just write we are typing HTML done. No, it will not print any kind of result. Every tag in HTML has to be written down, has to be typed down in angle braces. What are angle braces? These are angle braces. The greater than and less than signs. These are angle braces. Every tag in HTML has to be typed within these angle braces. Like if I type HTML, and one more thing, every tag of HTML is typed in capital letters, be it any tag. Every tag in HTML is typed in angle braces, within the angle braces and in capital words. So if I write HTML, angle brace 1, then HTML, then angle braces closed. This is the correct form of writing any tag. Hope I have made myself clear. Now, once you have written HTML, let me tell you, you have to memorize it that HTML is a container tag. HTML is a container tag. What do you mean by container tag? Container tag means that it has both the opening tags and closing tags. We will not close in HTML right now. I will be telling you when we will close HTML. Let's proceed with our code. Now we have opened HTML. We will be closing HTML in the last. Now we have to start with head. Every letter of a single is typed in head. Head. When we type head, we need to type the title. Title. What is the title of our web page? If you are done like this, if you write title like this, it will not put anything. It will not print the title because you have to print it, write in it this form. So guys, with head we write all the things that we need to make in code, like title, background, font, and images. We have to, if we want to attach any images, and there are many things that we attach with a head. We will be seeing these things in our upcoming tutorials. For now, let us take it for ordered list only. So what's the title of our web page? Let me write down. Title you can write in small or capital, it doesn't matter. Example of ordered list. Example of ordered list. And one more thing, there are very less tags that are empty tag, and almost every tag, almost I am saying, not every tag, almost every tag are container tag. and title is also a container tag. So guys, how to close a tag? We have learned that to open a tag we use this format: angle brace, then the tag name, and then angle brace is closed. Now to close the tag, now if I close HTML, I am closing like angle brace, then not just writing HTML and it's closed. No, it's not closed. We need to add one more thing when we close any tag, tag. It's an oblique. If I want to close HTML, I will be closing it like this. This is the correct form of closing HTML, otherwise it will not print your result. Let me make myself very clear for this. When we open any tag, this is the format, and when we close any tag, this is the format. So let us proceed. So guys, the title tag is also an empty tag and is also a container tag, and I have told you earlier that how to close an empty tag: angle brace opening, then oblique, and then title and closing it. So title tag is open and closed here only, because title is finished. HTML is not finished because HTML consists everything that is written. Everything that is written in a code is printed between HTML and this closing tag. I'll be explaining you. Wait a minute. Once you have read title, now head is also a container tag, means it has to be closed. So for head close, we have to close it here only, because we have printed our because we have added everything that we need to add in the code. Okay, title, every extra thing that we need to add in the code. Now starts the main thing, the body of our code. Body means the thing that will be printed on the browsers. So body, what is the body of our that code? So first I need to write that what's the title of my code. Like in today's video I will be explaining about ordered list. So in ordered list I will be explaining you about the clothes worn in winter season. So let me write it as B. Now what's B? B stands for bold. BOLD, bold means the thing that I will be writing in B will be printed in bold. So what I am write? Clothes. This is the title of my code. Clothes wore in winter season. And also guys, B is again a container tag. We need to close it. Closed. Now starting. Now if I there is one more tag, I will be telling you what is the use of that tag. If I start writing here from here where my cursor is, so it will print the result here. After season it will start writing your result. To leave a line in HTML, there is one more tag named HR. HR stands for horizontal rule. It prints a blank line. It leaves a line between the title, in between anything. HR, right? HR we have applied. One more tag I was thinking to apply, that BR. What's the use of BR now? BR prints a line, a big line between what you are writing in it. BR in clothes worn in winter season and my title, it will print a BR. BR means it will print a very large horizontal line. Horizontal, not vertical. Horizontal line between clothes worn in winter season and between my list. So let's now start with list. Before starting with list, let me apply OL tag. OL, because we are making an OL list, ordered list we are making. So OL tag applied, and OL is a container tag. Let me again tell you, HR is a empty tag because we haven't closed it. It's an empty tag. It only consists of opening tag, and BR is also an empty tag, but OL is a container tag. Let us begin with our list now. Now LI stands for list item. List item. LI stands for list item. There are certain tags, and the whole code in HTML depends upon tag only. The whole code in HTML depends upon tags. the number of tags and amount of tags you apply, the more attractive will be your output. So li stands for list item. So I am creating a code for clothes worn in winter season. So my list item must be like sweater, because we wear sweater in winter season. Sweater, and li is not a container tag, it's an empty tag. It only consists of opening tag, not a closing tag. Again, the number of times we write the list item, the number of times you have to apply li. Again li, list item, and what else we wear? We wear warmer. Now again li, you instead writing li again and again. Let me copy it and I'll be pasting it. And Control Z, Control V, warmer. And what else we wear? Jacket. I'll be explaining. A short code. It's a very short code. Jacket. One more thing we must write, that is socks. Okay. Now, what tags we need to close? We have opened many tags. We need to close 3 tags for now. First, we need to close this tag. The tag opened at the last will be closed at first. Remember that. First, we need to close OL. OL we have closed. OL angle base, right? Then we have to open body. We have opened body. We will close body. And I have told you before that HR and BR are empty tags. So body closed. And now we have opened head. We have closed bold. We have closed. HTML is open till now, and HTML we will close right now. HTML. Right. One more thing I want to add in this, that OL we can also define the type. OL type, which is what type in Roman numbers, in numericals. So let me show you. OL TYPE. OL type. What type you want to print? I'll be 1 2 3 4, right? Or ABCD. Type A. Type A means it will print like this: sweater A, sweater B, warmer, C, jacket, S, socks, like this. And it must be written in quotes, right? Guys, now we have created our whole code, and the step is now we have to save it first. To save, and there is a proper format to save it. Like I have created this. It's a .txt document. If you save it like .txt document, it will not print. It will print the one that I have created, the whole code. It will print the whole code, not the output, any output. So I will be showing out that I have created a code in clothes worn in some winter season. So let me save it to winter season clothes, right? And one more thing, you have to apply the extension also here. The extension of HTML is .html. Simple. Now it will show you the whole code. Now and enter. It's saved, winter season clothes. Now you have to go on your desktop screen. Here it's made. I'm not using Chrome. I'll be using open with Internet Explorer, because I trust Internet Explorer for this. Yeah. Ask me later. 1 second, guys. Yeah. So here you see, here's clothes worn in winter season. Then a BR, we applied BR because that's why a big horizontal line is printed. And sweater, warmer, jacket, socks, all is printed. Now, if you want to edit this code also, that you don't want capital letters A, B, so go back to code. Here's the code, and rather capital A, make it small a, and save it, and go back to it and do F5. Right? One more. Now you don't want to do like this. Now you want to print it in Roman numerals. Type I, because I in Roman numerals stands for 1. Now Control S, go to the code again, the output, and F5 it. 1 2 3 4 is Roman numerals. Now you don't want this. Remove it. And what else is left? I don't think 1 2 3 4 we can also type, right? 1 2 3 4, Control S, go to the code again, and F5. 1 2 3 4 is printed. Now if you want to print like this, that 2, then it starts from 2, not from 1. So one more tag you can apply here. START, start is equals to let us start from 2, and in quotes you have to write it 2. Control S, go to the output, F5 it, F5 stands for refresh. If you don't want to click F5, here is the refresh option. So it's starting from 2, 3, 4, 5. So HTML and Python are very simple if you practice them. They are very simple and I love them. If I tell you literally I love them. And I love coding also. And these are the two languages. I love them. So guys, this was a tutorial for HTML. I hope you liked it. Please try this on your systems, and if you don't have system, don't worry. The next tutorial is of how to use HTML on mobile. The next tutorial is of how to use HTML on mobile. So stay tuned and thanks for watching this video.